Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome to my presentation final year project. I am Kufazi Islah bin Kusari S55635, program from Bachelor of Applied Science Fisheries. My supervisor is Prof. Madya Dr. Muhammad Hanafi Idris, and my title is a checklist study on seagrass distribution from setiu wetland. Seagrass are flowering plants that are commonly found in bush tropical and temperate coastal water. There are 58 species of seagrass in the globe, which is a 16 species in Malaysia. Much of the world continent have coastal water where seagrass can be found. Wetlands include a variety of social benefits, including food and habitat for fish and wildlife, including threatened and endangered species, improve water quality, flood storage, shoreline erosion control, economically beneficially natural resources for human use. Wetlands play an important role in our natural climate. They shield our shore from waste action, mitigate flood damage, absorb pollutant, and improve water quality. Problem statement. Seagrass development and distribution are influenced by a variety of physical, chemical, and biological factors. Besides the photosynthesis process by seagrass is limit causing the distribution of seagrass population to grow uniformly. Effect of climate change can cause seagrass fertility decrease, thus cannot produce their offspring. In the rate seagrass distribution is absent, then most likely wetland do not exist somewhere. Then problem about land development because of their proximity to terrestrial system and susceptibility to flux of terrestrially produced organic and inorganic material. Seagrass are impacted by land-based activities. For the significance of study, the seagrass contribute significantly to the balance of littoral ecosystem and are referred to as the contractor of ecosystem, being a component of marine ecosystem of high importance. The objective of this study is to investigate the distribution of seagrass in setiu wetland. For the sampling design, first 3 separate sampling sites were selected. Second, the sampling begins from August until November. Third, the samples were collected and transported to the laboratory. Then the samples were identified according to morphology variation. The data were recorded. Then the data were analyzed, and lastly expected result. For the sampling procedure, the position of each transect were recorded for the future reference. Second, a global positioning system, which is a GPS, were used. Total of 3 replicate transects were surveyed at each site. The transect was found along a compass bearing perpendicular to the shore. Then a total of 3 replicate quadrants were done at each sampling station, and the append parameter for each station were recorded. So this is a sampling site. The position for transect was selected, which is site after general survey of the seagrass meadow. Data analysis using the estimation of cover at depth from site to October 1970, because only this concept the measuring the density of seagrass in each 50 by 50 centimeter quadrat, the coverage, which is C of each species, in compute as follows. For the result, there is only Rupia maritima species that can be found in the area. Then there is class of dominance used to record cover. For example, the total of coverage for the station 1, replicate 1 and quadrat 1, which is 66.75%. So this is our overall result. Only station 1 was recorded because station 2 and station 3 are empty. For the discussion, first, natural factors such as frost and monsoon wind gas. Second, water salinity because the water of salinity has been dropped. Third, which is extinct because of land development. For the conclusion, seagrass communities made significant contribution to coastal productivity. In addition, the abundance of diversity of animals associated with seagrass communities are strongly related to the species composition of the seagrass. However, there were one species of seagrass in setiu wetland, which is Rupia maritima. These are the list of references that were used in this study. So that's all from me. Thank you.